What's up, y'all? I'm Ariel Madison. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a review on this hair from Beaudiva. This is an AliExpress vendor, but they also sell here on Amazon. So what I have in my head is an 18-inch closure, 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles, and it's body wave. So first off, I want to start by saying, even if you're going to flat iron your hair, I suggest you get body wave because it holds a curl and body wave is normally thicker. I always, like when I get my hair done, I always get it flat ironed. And yeah, it keeps like, it stays straight, but even if I want to curl it, since it's body wave, it's going to hold the curl. Straight hair is not going to hold a curl, and it's not as thick as body wave hair. So take my advice and get body wave. That's it. So yeah, this is a sew-in. This isn't a wig. I'm 5'2", and the hair comes down to my waist. I'll try to show you. So yeah, 5'2", and my hair stops about here. So long hair is, and yeah. So this hair is gonna run you, this exact length and texture is gonna run you about $115. And for 3 bundles in a closure that looks like this, you can't beat it. So yes, the hair came with these lashes. Yeah, you know all the AliExpress lashes the hair comes with, but I mean, it's generous, but don't nobody want those. So yeah, so like I said, this is body wave, and I just got it in yesterday, so I can't tell you too much how it holds up, but I can say that I expected a lot of shedding, but the hair rarely sheds. It doesn't really tangle. When I wrap my hair up to go to bed, I put my scarf around my edges, and I do my hair like this and put it up in a bonnet. Normally when I wake up, I have like a whole bunch of dents and have to flat iron it out. Not today, so it was beautiful. Like I'm obsessed with it. I can say that it's not as thick as the hair I normally get. But I don't know. I feel like if you want 24 inches, you should get at least 2 24-inch bundles, or get a 20-inch closure and all 24-inch bundles so it can be thicker. But I really don't mind this. It's just not as thick as hair I normally get. So yeah, now for my closure, my stylist said that she really liked it. It bleached well. She didn't have issues plucking it. I do have some of my real edges out, so that's why this looks so thick, but you can choose not to. Now, as with any closure, I do have flyaways, if you can see them. I don't know if you can on camera, but I definitely have some flyaways. But hold on, no fear, Ariel Madison is here. I'm about to tell you what to use for your flyaways. So I get this hairspray, okay. This John Frieda Freeze Ease. It's a moisture barrier, so when I used to wear leave outs, I used to use this on my leave out, but I also use this to take flyaways. And you really could just get a little tiny thing like this. I had this forever and use this. So because it's like holding spray, you might need to wipe the cap if you use it. So I just do this, spritz them on the top of there, and then I hurry up and wipe it down before it dries. And my flyaways normally stay down. And because you only use a couple spritz, that bottle was gonna last you forever. I got that from Walmart for like $3. So yeah, but if you guys want me to do a review on how I maintain my closures, because I usually keep them in for 2 months, follow me on Instagram. I'll update you on how this hair is going, because if it starts shedding a lot, or my lace starts balding, I want to take it out. But I usually like to keep my hair for 2 months because who paying money to take it out? Not me. I want my hair to last. So yeah, what else did I want to say about the hair? Like I said, it came 2 weeks tops. I was scared because of coronavirus that it was gonna take longer and it wasn't gonna be here by the time my appointment came, but it came. The seller was very nice. It came in the regular FedEx thing. I didn't have to sign for it. They didn't give me like a satin bag or anything, but I don't care. As long as my hair is good, then I'm good with it too. And like I said, I swear I do this to my hair about 1,000 times a day. I don't get any shedding. Okay, so if you're wondering why I keep talking about the shedding, it's because that's the big thing for me. And because it's AliExpress hair and it's $100, I would expect it to like be shedding a lot and be all nasty. And shedding is embarrassing, especially when you color your hair. And so, okay, say you have light brown hair and everybody else in the car got black hair, and everybody like, oh, who hair is this? And it's light brown. Everybody knows your hair, and you just shedding like a dog. So shedding is a big thing for me, but this hair really don't shed. So go get you some. All right, bye-bye. Keep watching my video. Bye. Like, my hair is just, I love it. And my lace, amazing. The bundles, amazing. I feel like the hair is a steal. I feel like you should get it. No questions asked. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll also leave my social medias and my email if you have any questions. But if you DM me on Instagram, I can answer your questions fast. I still have some flyaways because I didn't really, I wasn't able to see what I was doing. I was just trying to demonstrate how I maintain my flyaways. But yeah, somebody on Instagram asked me to do an updated edges tutorial. I have one posted on my channel already. But if you do want an updated one, just let me know down in the comments because I do my edges a little bit differently now. So if you want an updated tutorial, let me know. But that is all for my review on this Beaudiva hair. I think it's beautiful. I think it's worth the buy. I think you should get it. If you have any questions, DM me, Snapchat me, comment down below on this video, email me, anything, and I'll get right back to you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back again with another video soon.